Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the front or rear turn signal on Mercedes GLC D generation right here, guys. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix, and after that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, we'll guys share the information in the description of the video below. We can check it out and see, guys, where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6, 7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, now let's talk about the front rear turn signal fuses relays. Let's explain which fuses relays we need to check, and then what else you may need to do, guys, to be able to fix that problem. Today we'll be working in multiple fuse boxes. Make sure you stay until the end because it could be any of these fuses. The first fuse box, we need to open the hood facing the engine. On the right side, this is the driver's side, you have that fuse box under that cover. That looks like this one here. Before we, guys, continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here, guys, what we need to check specifically. Okay, multiple fuses, starting here with fuse 108, 110. We need to check fuse 128 and 25. Okay, these fuses here will need to be checked, but we're not done. We need to go ahead and open the driver door. And here, on the side of the dash, you have a cover. Okay, this cover here. Pry it open, and underneath is another fuse box. That's on the driver's side. Here we need to check fuse number 200 and 201. Those are for the front SAM control module, very important fuses that you will need to check as well. Next, we're not done. We need to open the passenger door, and here you have a fuse box in the footwell compartment on the passenger side. On the AP door, you have one cover that you can remove, and underneath you're going to find the fuse box with that layout here. Specifically here, we need to check fuse number MF3, and MF3 is this multi-fuse right here. Okay, that consists of 6 fuses built in one fuse. One of these 6 fuses will have that option too, so remove that fuse and test each one of them, guys. After that, we need to come to the trunk. When you open the trunk, the cargo cover, you can lift it up, and underneath you'll find a flap. Open it, and this is the main trunk fuse box. Here we need to check fuse number 450. This fuse right here is very important fuse. Then you need to check, guys, fuse number after that 465 right here, and 466 right here. Okay, now if you still have problems, okay, with lights not working. What you may need to check: front, rear, some control module fuses. And if you replace light, bulb, anything like that, sometimes having a code in the module can cause that light not to work. So you may need to clear all the codes, get a computer that can access every computer system in your Mercedes, because you may have up to 40, 50 different systems. Clear the codes, and that's very likely that could fix your problem as well. If you want to know which computer to use, we'll share the link in the description of the video below. Check it out, we'll put it for your convenience there. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have two different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.